Good morning, Mark here in the Fan Cave. It's 8:58 a.m. on August 9th, 2023. This is a GE 3-speed electrically reversible box fan. This is from an era when these fans were ubiquitous, and you still see them occasionally around today. I bought this on Facebook Marketplace last week, and this will absolutely outlast pretty much any fan today. Let's take it without further ado. Let's take it for a test spin. Start off on low. Kick it up to medium. One thing that's always struck me as interesting about these old fans is its overall level of quietness. Yeah, you can hear the hum of the motor, but they're not rattly and jittery like a lot of the newer plastic models. Now, kick it up too high. This actually has a reverser, so if you want to use it as an exhaust fan, that works as well without having to take it out of the window and turn it around. There's a switch here, in and out, so you can switch it to out, and it blows the opposite direction. You can tell this fan is all metal. Even the handle is metal. Yeah, they just don't make really anything like it anymore. About 10 years ago, Lasko came out with a metal box fan that, and I actually bought one, and that was a decent fan. Just still, nothing back then is on par with nothing these days on par with what they had back then. Anyway, thanks a lot for watching. Please do stay tuned for more fan videos. Good night and good luck.